Selling your house with Core Real Estate Solutions is so easy and hassle-free that it can be summed up in these 5 simple steps. Step 1. Tell us about your property. Simply call us at 239-360-3176 or fill out an online form at www.sellmyhousenowusa.com. Step 2. We'll set up an appointment with you to see your home. One of our consultants will meet with you to evaluate the property in order to get you the best offer. Step 3. Get top dollar offer. We'll sit down and go over your customized offer. There is no obligation whatsoever. We'll buy it as is, so you don't have to make any repairs. And since we're buying the house, there are no fees, no commissions, and no closing costs. Step 4. We'll schedule the closing date at your convenience. We'll safely close the transaction at a reputable title company. And since we are paying cash, we can close in as little as 7 days or on any date of your choice. Step 5. Payday. And just like that, your house is sold and you're paid in full. The days of dealing with the hassle of listing are over. Visit www.sellmyhousenowusa.com or contact us at 239-360-3176 to get your house sold today.